Hello everyone, welcome to SDET 101. Today we are going to see how we can scroll down a page in Selenium using Java. This is a very common question asked in interview. To get more such interview questions or to clear your concepts, do subscribe and click bell icon. Also have shared the Telegram link in description. So this is a newspaper website that is Economic Times I have opened, and what I will do is I have to scroll down this page. So how will you scroll down? In Selenium, there is no such method to scroll down a page. So in this cases, what we have to do is we have to use JavaScript. So how will you do that? We will see. So the first step is right click and click on that inspect. So this is what you are getting. Then click on the console. Here you can run your JavaScript and check whether it will work or not. So for scrolling down, what we have to do is window is the thing, window dot scroll by method. I have to use the I will be using there are a lot of all the methods, there are a lot of actions you can do in JavaScript. So one of them is the scroll by. So here you will get the scroll by method, window dot scroll by, and here we have to pass the parameters. So this is the position, it's a horizontal scroll bar. So let's see whether it works or not. Okay, so now see here the scroll bar is working and it went down. So this is the command that I will be, this is the thing I will be using, window.scroll by. Now, how will you do that? I already have my Eclipse for you. Now, the thing is here, first we have to set up things, system.setup, set property. Here I will pass the path of my WebDriver. WebDriver.chrome dot driver webdriver.chrome, sorry, here webdriver.chrome.driver, and here I will pass my the path of the Chrome driver that I have downloaded. So I'm not showing you all the details of this tip because they're very basics, and maybe if you want we can cover it in different videos, but here it's not needed and it will unnecessarily make the videos lengthy. So I'm just passing a C driver C drive. So this is what it is set up, and then next what it will do, I will create the driver where driver is the interface and Chrome driver is the class that implements the web driver. uh, so this is what now let's string URL. I will store the URL, so my URL is this one. And now next, driver.get URL. Okay, so what it will do, I will maximize my screen. So driver.manage dot window, driver.manage dot window dot maximize. Next step is I will put an implicit wait just to show that it's scrolling down. Driver.manage dot timeout dot implicitly wait, so maybe 2 seconds, and then time unit proper. Now here I will put the JavaScript executor I'm creating. So what we have to do is JavaScript executor is I have to typecast the driver. This driver I have to typecast and convert it to a JavaScript executor. what I will do is change to JavaScript executor. So JavaScript executor is there now. Okay, JavaScript executor. So what it does is JavaScript executor is an interface, as you can see here when you hover, and it indicates that the driver can execute JavaScript, providing access to the mechanism to do so. Because this is the thing, it is performing, right? Because of this cross-domain policies, browser enforces script execution may fail unexpectedly and without adequate error messaging. This is a pertinent when creating your own XHR request or when trying to access another frame. Most of the times, when troubleshooting failure, it's best to view the browser's console after executing the WebDriver request. This is a complicated statement, but to be simplified, which performs that cannot be performed in if you want to do some actions using JavaScript, which is not doable through the Selenium, then we use the JavaScript. Sometimes it happens that we are not able to click an object due to some page complications. Then that time also we use JavaScript execution executed. We'll discuss them those details in a separate video. For now, let's concentrate on the scroll by. So this is a very simple thing. Just we typecast it with the driver to a JavaScript executor, and now what we will do is just JS dot. So there are two things for executing a script. One is execute async script, asynchronous piece of JavaScript, and the other one is executing a JavaScript, the synchronous one. So I will do this execute script. So what we will do is here I will um, run the JavaScript window dot scroll by. This is what it will run, and let's see how. So this is a very simple thing, just a two line. First, you have to convert the typecast, the driver. The first step is typecast the driver to JavaScript executor. JavaScript executor is an interface in Selenium, and then you have to execute the script. So therefore, that it is execute script js.execute script method. So in that you have to write the JavaScript, whatever you want to run. So let's run it now. Has started running. The page is taking some time to load. Why it's taking so long time? Let's retry this. Ah, this page is taking a lot of time. A lot of time. Okay. Due to some issues, maybe due to the lot of ads in this page, it is taking a hell lot of time. But this is the concept. So this is how you have to execute the JavaScript executor. Let's try for once more. I think due to some issues, this okay. Now it opened. Yes, it's worked. Now see the page scroll down below. Thank you.